I'm going to do a self-appointed project here. I'm in Photoshop right now. This is a shape that I got from, I made it and saved it as a custom shape. This is another shape. No, this is from my library. And I think, yeah, I got this off the internet, brought it into Photoshop, stripped it down, traced it out, and made it super dark, and then put it in my library so I could use it as a graphic. And then the bird, let me close this so y'all can see. The bird is a shape. I think I just Googled bird shapes and found one like this. I put bird shape in Google. I found this. Then I just did a print screen here. Went back into Photoshop. Hit create, hit Control V. Well, I'll show you here. Edit, paste. It pasted it in. I hit my selection tool over here, and I did that. And these are my settings up here. Probably should be on this one. And then I did Alt Control Shift J, and that puts that selection on its own layer. And then I deleted these two layers. And then I went up here to Image, Trim, and I trimmed out all the transparent pixels. So now I have just the black bird. If I go here and hit Control, it makes a selection. Notice over here, I'm on the right side. I'm on the layers panel right below it, and I'm hitting Control there to get the selection. It makes a selection of all the black. And then if you go to the Path panel and hit Works Path, you have a defined custom shape now that you can make if you hit Edit here. If you hit Edit and then go down to Define Custom Shapes, it makes a custom shape for you. And we'll call this WREN. Hit OK. And then what happens with that is you can go to down here to your custom shapes, and now you have a Wren. That's the one I just made, but this is one I made prior. And it shaves that there, so you can use it on all your projects, which is really nice because now you can go like this, and you can draw a ton of them, and you can make the fill whatever color you want. And you can just make a ton of these all over the place.